What's up YouTube? Zartas here. About to do some unboxing. Just got the final two pieces for my computer. I've been accumulating parts over time, as you can see right here. I have most of them already in my case. This is the old case. We're going to take those out. We're going to put them in the new case here. It's the Corsair Carbide Series Spec 2. So, let's unbox this bad boy. Aha! There we have it. Let's take a look. This is the side. This is all see-through, so I get to see my components shine. Here's the top. I mean, it's just a case. There's a LED fan in here. Ooh. Interesting. Let's open this up. Now we've got the inside. First time building a PC, so bear with me. And if it takes too long, I'll just cut it to the... Oh boy, I don't even know what this shit does. I'll cut it to the final finish. Here's the inside. Can't see. Where's my light at? Jesus. Maybe this way. You see that? Oh my god. Must be more cords, maybe? Oh, they got straps and all the fucking screws you can want. Alright. Okay. That's the case. Throw you over there. And now we have the power supply. It is 500 watt 80 plus by these are called GeForce. Whoa, okay, here we go. This is the good stuff. There it is. Look at that. Along with it, a pile of cords. Oh my god. Alright. Uninstall everything from this case, and I'll go through piece by piece what I have. Alright, I think we shall take out the graphics card first. GeForce 1050 Ti. So we got that. Not bad. Put that right there. Next, I will unhook the fan. That's the cooling system I bought. It's nothing fancy, it's just a HyperX 8GB kit. Oh shit. It doesn't sound right. Okay. There's 2 of these HyperX Furies. 4 gigs each, so 8 gigs altogether. Second one. And the processor is i5 6600. Alright, there's that with the processor in it. I've had my hard drive out. It's nothing fancy. It's 1.5 TBs. Alright, here's the case. Actually nice and light. It's very beautiful. First, go to attempt the hard drive. Okay, the hard drive goes down here, right? Slides in like so. A bit further maybe? No? Out further maybe? And the pin goes into there. No. That's the end of it. Well, that's that. I mean, it's in place. Get the power supply screwed in. Power supply is in the case. That's all we got so far. Now I'll do the motherboard. installed. I was having trouble with this screw and this screw. This one will not line up, but you take one of these ones off and you put it on the panel underneath,